coolest use cases for software-defined edge is the police car scenario. Now, while the police officer is in the vehicle, the communication between the vehicle and the branch, that is the police station, is the most critical piece. Once the police officer leaves the vehicle, the most critical piece becomes the body cam on the police officer's body. And being able to prioritize that traffic over the traffic coming from the vehicle to ensure that back at the station, they have everything that they need in order to support the officer in the field.
We have a great customer for the software-defined edge. It's actually a manufacturing customer. They build machines that go into bottling plants. Today, they have hardware appliances that control that process. And because they have hardware appliances, they're also not able to deploy new applications. So what they want to do is they want to create a virtualized and containerized infrastructure, a software-defined edge or a software-defined infrastructure, in order to be able to deploy these modern applications and drive their business forward.
So the software-defined edge for a mobile operator, great example is the RAN. If you look over at a retailer, such as Tesco over in the UK, that's a different use case. They're trying to change the customer experience within the stores and really making it a touchless, seamless checkout experience for their customers. And they need the technology to help them do that, and that's exactly what we're doing.
So the software-defined edge is the compute infrastructure that will enable, for example, the new shopping experience in a retail store. So it will enable applications like computer vision for theft prevention, loss prevention. It will enable the new mirrors that will allow you to try on, virtually try on your clothes. So the whole shopping experience is enabled by the ability to have compute and applications running at the edge in a way that's easy to manage and easy to deploy.
What if you could go and completely customize your healthcare experience, pick and choose whatever kind of service that you wanted on the fly and be able to get the kind of provider that you want? This can be done with intelligence all the way at the edge, which is a software-defined edge. What if you were the person responsible for running a machine or a factory? With software-defined edge, you can have sensors that go in there, and simply by measuring noise, the vibrations, the temperature of a machine, at less than $1 per machine, you can predict when that machine is going to fail. These are all the ways that a software-defined edge is going to change our lives going forward.